Dear students, in the previous class, we had practiced how to write in 4 lines. But generally, we write in 2 lines. So, in this class, we shall once again practice how to make our writing attractive, writing in 2 lines, and what precautions we have to take while writing the letters. Let's see and practice. Today's I have given the topic of the lesson is bad writing corona. Bad writing corona. Beautiful writing corona. Beautiful writing corona. Today's topic. Let's see and practice. Writing in 2 lines because we generally write in 2 lines. B C D E F G. While writing G, we have to take precautions. Automatically and very naturally, this come under the line, but not too much, because we have to write another letter also in the next line. Very small. H I J, once again 4 lines. So we have to show that the letter is written in 4 lines, but not too low. Not too low. K L. Generally, we commit mistakes in writing M. You shall note where you commit mistake while writing M. All the 3 points meet together, and this should be a thought, linking line, everywhere linking line. O P, slight. Q R S T U V. Once again, we have to take precaution while writing W. All the 3 points meet together. X. y in 4 lines, and we have to show, but not too low, slight. Z, how many in 4 lines? 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, small. Writing in 2 lines. Small. Here we should feel that there is third line in between. In between 2 lines there is the unseen third line, and this is the unseen fourth line. Unseen fourth line. E. B. 2 lines. C. D. Single line. B. E. F. Fourth line, but not too low. G. This will come also in the fourth line, unseen fourth line. H. I. J. Unseen fourth line. K. Very beautiful K you can write like this. L. 2 lines. M. N. O. Athwart, upwards. And while writing A, then it is downwards. And while writing O, it is upwards. Difference between A and O, see here. Downwards, upwards. P. Unseen fourth line. Q. Unseen fourth line. R. This will be higher and this will be lower. S. Very artistic touch you can give. S. T. Single line. U. V. This is the unseen third line. In between 2 lines, this is the third line, and this is the fourth line. V. W. Be careful. All the 3 lines, all the 3 points meet together. Here we commit mistake. X. Y will come in the unseen fourth line. Y, but not too low, because we have to write in the next line also. Z, it will also written in fourth line. this is how we have to write in cursive form. You know that you have to practice. The teacher only guides you. The teacher shows you. And the student goes the way. The teacher shows the way. And the student goes the way. And my instruction, my advice, that you have to make your writing very attractive, charming, beautiful, wonderful. And my advice to you all, that you have to write 2 pages daily. And with lots of bliss, thank you all.